Ramakrishna Beach. This is situated on east coast of Bay of Bengal in Visakhapatnam, Andhra Pradesh. This is located near Dolphin's Nose, one of the most popular beaches of Vizag, more commonly known as Apke Beach. If you would like to visit this place, please do visit this place. Also cover Ramakrishna Mission Ashram, which is very near to the beach. It is one of the very pleasant and most crowded beach in the country. It has wonderful serene water and cool atmosphere. The beach offers a wonderful view of the countryside, and the driveway is kind of very awesome. So please look at the video. Do visit if you are driving in the same route. It is very relaxing. So we are at Ramakrishna Beach. This is a lunch stoppage for us. We kind of came almost around 62 kilometers away from the main road. So getting to things. So guys, we are somewhere in Vishakhapatnam, pretty far from our day 2 stop for Berhampur. We have diverted ourselves from the national highway because there was some construction going on. We are trying to check with people the forward route, but looks like we are driving through a forest and it's like getting towards the evening time, so kind of stuck. But hopefully we'll be able to move as fast as possible. Beautiful forest, guys. Never thought that we'll be driving the countryside. It's a single lane, not much of a wider road, but it's pretty relaxing to drive among this forest and the countryside, which connects back to NH16. Stay tuned, keep watching the video. We'll be having more infos moving forward. Now these are muddy roads, but cannot help. I think we have to go out of this countryside, moving back to the speed so that by at least by 8 o'clock or 9 o'clock we reach our day 2 halt. And also ensure that you drive really slow and careful in this countryside road. Make sure you do not make any crashes. It's going to be really nasty if you make any crashes, so make sure you have control on your speed. So we are about 5 kilometers away from our day 2 destination. The time is about 8 o'clock in the evening. Pretty tired after driving almost about 750 kilometers. We are actually near to Berhampur, which is about 5 kilometers. Berhampur is actually a city on the eastern coastline of Ganjam district of the Indian state of Odisha in east of India. And the best part is, this is connected with the national highways NH16 and NH59, which is Gopalpur-Raipur Expressway. And this is basically, this city is actually connected with all the other cities and towns of Odisha. So if you're traveling in NH16, make sure that you halt here. And if you're following my route, Bangalore to Ganga, then this is the best place where you can, play over or pull over after 750 kilometers of drive. You have pretty good hotels in and around the highway. You can choose any options from Airbnb or Oyo and get in there for the night and start back very fresh in the morning tomorrow. So we are crossing Chilka Lake. Chilka Lake is a brackish water lagoon spread over 3 districts: Puri, Khurda and Ganjam in the Odisha state in the east coast of India. This is also connected to Daya River flowing into the Bay of Bengal. It's having a pretty huge coverage of 1,100 kilometers. It is the largest coastal lagoon in India and the second largest brackish water lagoon in the world. After the New Caledonian Barrier Reef, It has been listed as tentative UNESCO World Heritage Site. So a pretty good view if you are traveling in the same route. Do stop over and take some beautiful photographs. It's been pretty nice since the morning for us. We had a little bit of rain, and the atmosphere is really nice. And in favor of all the travelers, we would request please stop over and click some photographs. Hello guys, we are back. We just took a left from Junction. If you take right, you go to Kharagpur. If you take left, you go to the Kazigura. And this is the road that connects you to Jamshedpur. It's about 90 kilometers via NH18. To be precise, the distance is going to be 94.5 kilometers. And we travel for So here we come, Bokaro. We have arrived Bokaro. This is about 7:50 right now. I'm going to drop my friend Ranjit to his house, and we'll be left over for another 45 kilometers to Dhanbad. Thanks for being with us. Keep watching the video. Do share your likes and dislikes about the video if you didn't like, but we'll try to post as many answers as possible for you guys to kind of follow and make your journey comfortable if you're trying to